So if you're wondering how to take down the jumperoo, if you look here, if you get a knife and you slide it here, and you push forward, and you do it to the other side, it should fall down. It should fall down and collapse. And that's how you fold down the jumperoo to put it back in the box. So it will come off. Okay, fine. You want to push this in with a screwdriver or a knife. And it should slip out once you push, and then the seat will come out. And then with these bits, you literally press the clip and it undoes. So when you push it in, you literally just push it and it comes straight out. And you can find space around the edge to add the poles. There we go. Storage and sale. I'm gonna actually give this a charity myself. So we've managed to put that in the box. Then you can put all the extra bits around the side. You just have to find some space to push them through. Find some space. You could pull this up, put this underneath here. See, it's fit right in. So we could actually close the box now and tape it up for sale. Well, I'm giving mine to charity, but there you go. That's how you dismantle the jumperoo.